Hello YouTube! You probably think there are two PowerMac G4s sitting on my desk, but not exactly. On the left, yes, there is a G4, but on the right, surprise! Intel Core i7 Hackintosh. All parts and components I will post below in the description, but briefly. CPU Intel Core i7 4770. Motherboard Gigabyte B85H-D3H-A. 16 gigs of Kingston HyperX 1600 MHz RAM, 64 GB SSD, and NVIDIA GT 1030 has 2 GB of VRAM. And lastly, no name 450 power supply. CPU is cooled by Arctic Freezer 11 LP CPU cooler. Video of installation and performance I uploaded a few weeks ago. It's running on latest macOS High Sierra 10.13.6. So let's see how it performs in Geekbench 4 benchmark. So here we are, single score performance 4528 points and multi-score 15278. So let's move on to the next benchmark, and it's a Cinebench R15. also multi-core performance 708 points and OpenGL 95.62 frames per second. It's all for today. If you liked my video, please click the like button, subscribe to my channel and click the bell next to it. Thank you and see you next time.